Hey guys! So this is the first time we've traveled after around 2 years. And now we're on our baby moon. So you can see my tiny baby bump. I'm at around 20 weeks already. And by now I can feel like baby's tiny movements and rumblings. We're at Sofitel today and we'll be here for a few days. Yesterday we had the bay view, so it was a much nicer view. We can see the pool. But now we had to transfer to another room with the city view because the one we used yesterday is not available anymore. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of the room. At least now it's clean. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna show you guys the room. Here we have our Don watching some show on his laptop. And the Queen right here, Cotton, with her favorite toy dino. Ta-da! So it's a pretty spacious bathroom. Yesterday the bathtub doesn't have a view, and now it has its own big space along with the shower. Last night we had our first dinner date at Spiral Buffet, and I'm gonna show you guys the wide assortment that they had. But you know, being pregnant and all, I have a lot of food limitations. So sadly, I cannot have sushi, my favorite. And then today, I had breakfast at Spiral once again. And hopefully, we can take this little pupper for a walk. She really needs her exercise, you know, being cooped up at home. She has all this pent-up energy. Aba? Sigawin mo ba kami ulit?
Oh no! Oh! Wala tayo magagawa.
Sorry na. They're gonna walk out now. There's a lot of people this weekend actually. Especially since we're on alert 1 now. So that's the lowest quarantine level status here. Oh, she really loves grass. Kata na! We're at the Sunset Bar. Decided to take a little break. In the morning, this is usually a la carte. Then on weekends and dinner time, it usually transforms into the buffet menu. Here's Cotton, well behaved. She got tired as easily as we did. We just walked like one strip and then got hungry. Anyway, I haven't had lunch since the breakfast.
Aray ko.
We're here at the food truck today, and we're gonna try out their dinner buffet. So it has a more casual ambiance, where they served grilled specialties like salmon, bellychon, beef brisket, and some classic Filipino food like sisig and gambas or shrimps.
Halika, dito tayo.
We have our breakfast today. We just checked out and we're on our way for another medical checkup. Thank you for joining us.